Hello students, welcome to the online classes of Sri Mahavir International School. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home and also enjoying the online classes of our school. So students, today I am back with my new video. I am going to teach you chapter number 6 of your English grammar book. Name is Gender. What is the name of chapter number 6 is? Gender. Okay. So first we will learn here about that what is gender. Gender of a noun tells us whether it is male or female. Gender of a noun. So gender is also one of the part of noun and it tells us whether it is male or female. Male यहाँ पे पूरी पुरुष जाति को एक्सप्रेस करता है और फीमेल यहाँ पूरी स्त्री जाति को. लाइक इन हिंदी यू मे लर्न अबाउट स्त्रीलिंग एंड पुल्लिंग. सिमिलर हेयर यहाँ पे आप पढ़ोगे मेल और फीमेल. ओके, सो जेंडर ऑफ अ नाउन टेल्स अस वेदर द नाउन इज मेल और अ फीमेल. ओके बेटा, नाउ लेट्स लर्न दैट हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ जेंडर इन इंग्लिश ग्रामर. We have learned that nouns can be divided into 4 genders. So, in English grammar, there are 4 types of gender. Number 1, masculine. Pronounce it with me, masculine. Number 2, feminine. Pronounce it with me, feminine. Number 3, common. Pronounce it with me, common. And number 4, neuter. Pronounce it with me, neuter. So beta, there are 4 types of genders in English grammar. Number 1 is masculine gender. Number 2 is feminine gender. Number 3 is common gender. And number 4 is neuter gender. Let's learn about these. Masculine gender. Nouns that stands for boys, men and male animal. So in masculine gender, you may learn about or you may know that boys, men and male animal are including. Okay, masculine gender होता है जिसमें सारे पुरुष जाति को इंक्लूड किया जाता है. ओके, और पुरुष जाति में हम इंक्लूड करते हैं बॉयज, मेंस एंड मेल एनिमल. मेल एनिमल जो पुरुष जानवर हैं. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ब्राइड ग्रूम. यू नो व्हाट इज ब्राइड ग्रूम? जैसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं दूल्हा. ब्रदर, आई थिंक यू ऑल नो दैट व्हाट इज ब्रदर. ब्रदर इज भाई. फादर, पिता. टाइगर, शेर. टाइगर हेयर रिप्रेजेंट एज अ मेल एनिमल. सो बेटा, मैस्कुलाइन जेंडर refers to noun that stands for boys, men and male animal. Okay, now come to the next, feminine gender. Feminine gender, nouns that stand for girls, women and female animal. Okay, feminine gender includes all the girls, women and female gender. पूरी स्त्री जाति को जो संबोधित करते हैं, जो पूरी स्त्री जाति को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड फेमिनाइन जेंडर. लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल. ब्राइड. ब्राइड है दुल्हन. ओके, इट इज अपोजिट जेंडर ऑफ ब्राइड ग्रूम. ओके, ब्राइड ग्रूम, ब्राइड. दूल्हा, दुल्हन. ब्राइड ग्रूम इज मैस्कुलाइन जेंडर and feminine gender is bride, it means dulhan. Brother, sister. Father, mother. Tiger, tigress. Tigress here where beta the female animal and expresses a feminine gender in same class or same kind of animals. Okay, now come to the next, third one, common gender. What is common gender? Nouns that stand for either male or female. Okay, common gender here, nouns that stand for either male or female. Okay, दोनों को include करता है वहाँ पे. Okay, for example, students. You all are students and you are both. Okay, male and female. Student दोनों होते हैं, boys भी होते हैं और girls भी होते हैं. So the noun where both male and female are including are called common noun. Now we are talking about cousin. आपके जो cousin है वो सिस्टर भी है और ब्रदर भी है. सिस्टर फीमेल हो गई, ब्रदर मेल हो गया, तो कजिन हमारे क्या हो गए? कॉमन नाउन. एज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टीचर, टीचर ऑल्सो इंक्लूड इन अ कॉमन नाउन. हाउ कम वी नो? इन स्कूल टीचर टीचेस यू and Teacher may be ma'am or sir. So it is included in a common noun. Bird also include in a common noun. Okay. Now come to the next. Neuter gender. Nouns that are names of non-living things and are neither masculine nor feminine. Okay. Nouns that are names of non-living things. Neuter gender includes all the non-living things. What here? Neuter gender includes all the non-living things. Okay. ये ना तो masculine gender होते हैं और ना ही feminine gender होते हैं. Okay. For example here, table, house, car. These all are non-living thing, beta. And they are not expressed itself as a masculine gender or a feminine gender. So beta, I hope you understand what are the 4 types of gender. Let's do the quick revision. Number 1 is masculine gender and it stands for the boys, men and male animal. Okay. Number 2 is feminine gender. Feminine gender express or stands for the girls, woman and female animal. Okay. Number 3 is common gender. Common gender stand for either male or female. इसमें दोनों include होते हैं, male और female, like student, cousin, teacher and birds. Last, neuter gender. Neuter gender includes here that are non-living things and they are neither masculine nor feminine. So all non-living things include as a neuter gender. So beta, these are the 4 types of gender. You can see on the page number 24 in your book, one exercise, practice exercise given here. Identify the nouns, state their gender. आपको इन सेंटेंस के अंदर पहले noun को identify करना है. So let's do the quick revision. What is noun? I think the answer is raising in your mind. What is noun? Think about it. All naming words are called noun. So, naming words are called noun. And who have a name? Person, place, thing and animal. So, beta, what you do here, you just first identify the nouns, state their gender. So you find here the nouns to whom we change the gender. Okay. My wife's quite a scholar. If I want to write a letter, she writes it for me. Okay. So first we find here the noun to whom we change the gender. We may change here the gender of wife or she. So how we solve the exercise? My husband quite a scholar. If I want to write a letter, comma, here we change the opposite of she. He writes it for me. So beta, in this way you may change the gender in the sentence of the noun. My wife, so we change the gender of wife here, husband's, and she is changed by he. So beta, I hope you understand the topic. You may solve the exercise regarding the topic gender. If you have any query, send it to me. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day.